Kamarjoba, my friend. Megobari. Kamarjoba. Now Bakriani skish. Oh, super. Oh, this is super. Look, we're looking at the engine. It's super.
Super, bro.
Very nice.
Georgia, good.
Yeah, Georgia super. I love it. Yes. Say hello. Hello. Say Kamarjoba. Yes. Georgia super. I like
Katulic soda.
Yeah, Katulic soda. I practice that. Dirimadlova. Thank you. I got it.
יש שם בורקס. למה לא לקחת?
Oh yeah.
No, אני זה, יש עוד אחד.
Oh yeah. Good. Yeah, super.
My name is Ruslan. My name is Steve.
My name is Елена.
Hello. Look at the village there. Beautiful village on the Kukushka train with your one and only. Oh yeah, and my friends. Hey guys, say hello please. Hello. Hi. Give us a wave. Thank you.
Hi.
Chisato, give us a wave, my dear.
Hello.
Yes. Konnichiwa. That's the Kukushka train. It snakes around the mountains as we are doing now. And it's so beautiful because now it's winter. It's like a story from a fairy tale. It's just a fairy tale, this, when you look at it. But it's just beautiful. Snaking around the mountains. One leg in, one leg out. So you're on video, brother. Chisato,
Yeah.
look this way.
What?
Yes. Guys, we're going straight to get some hot bread.
Yeah, man,
I'm so hungry.
Arigato.
I'm so hungry I can eat a sexy Chinese.
I want to have something like...
I just want to have a Japanese. I want to eat a Japanese.
put your head down.
Kamarjoba! Kargat. Yes, yeah, the fat conductor, yeah. Yo, I said that, man. I was in the bus, yeah? I was in this bus and there was a conductor there.
Yeah.
I said, the fat conductor, man. And he goes, you calling me a fat conductor? It was so funny, man. And we became friends.
Fat conductor or fat controller?
The fat controller, yes. Drill sergeant and fat controller.
Fat controller, yeah.
Maybe it looks like.
You look...
Здесь очень-очень красиво, горы просто потрясающие.
Everyone always asks, like,
Голова
where
идет кругом от
from
такой
is
красоты.
by train.
Мне очень нравится здесь.
And like when people abroad.
Присоединяйтесь ко мне в этом прекрасном путешествии, которое подарит вам новый опыт, и я покажу вам мир таким, каким вижу его я.
Wow, look at that. If yesterday wasn't your best, make sure today is your best. If today is not your best, create a better tomorrow. Because every day should be different. Don't worry about yesterday, because that's done. You just have to keep going. 'Cause that's part of life. How do you feel?
Wonderful.
great day for skiing.
Hiya, mate. That's good.
Very good. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Think of the children. Okay. Oh, Charlie hit somebody. You're just taking a break, right? Does that look comfortable?
It's actually a very good thing to look at the sky.
Was that your excuse? Do you want some help? I'll see if I can do this without pulling myself down with you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Did you catch him?
Yeah, I did it. Alright.
Sometimes all we need is just a little push, just a little nudge in the right direction, and we can do it.
Rad dudes going up the slope.
Because I've taken the video, but we don't have.
Rad dudes.
Sometimes in life, all we need is just that little push, that little encouragement. And then we can see that things can be done in a much easier way. You look at my friend struggling there, and suddenly she can see that she can do it. Seeing my friend, she was complaining of her legs being painful, but I just encourage her. I said, it's not too difficult. Everything can be done. World class! Within a few minutes, she could stand on those skis, and that was an achievement for both of us. Life is not about how many times you fall. Keep going, Nate. No worries. It's how many times you get up. How prepared are you to get up? Wow! And if you can get up, then you can have a wonderful life. You can have a wonderful life. Wow! Thank you for watching my videos. Hit the subscribe button now.